evening and welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie and today it's time for another Plant of the Week video, and we're going to do it on a grass this time. Now this grass is a grass that some landscapers and designers love to hate. It can be overused in certain situations, but there's different varieties that are also really pretty, and it definitely has its place. So today let's talk about the Karl Forester feather reed grass. Now I have a variety of Karl Forester that is a little bit different. It has a color difference. We can zoom in close here. As you can see, there is some variegation. Hopefully it's focused, but there's some variegation to the leaf. This gives it just a nice look to it. Now Karl Forester feather reed grass are really great for narrow areas. They have an upright form. These right here are probably about 3.5 to 4 feet tall because of the seed heads. Now the seed heads will last all winter and be a good structural element for your garden. You just cut them back in the spring and they'll come back, just raring to go. They are really easy to take care of. That's why they are overused, I think. They're used in commercial plantings a lot, especially the boring variety of just the regular Karl Forester feather reed grass. This one is called Overused. There is another variety that has a more yellow variegation called Avalanche. So besides cutting these back in the spring, there is no other maintenance that needs to be done to them. They can take just about any type of water. They don't like to be really waterlogged, and they do need a little bit of water. There's no need to fertilize them. And there's no need to prune them other than when you do it in the spring. Now if you want to cut the flower stalks down in the fall, you can also do that. So if you have a spot in your yard that needs just a little bit of upright color and texture, then the Karl Forester feather reed grasses can do the job. Just don't overuse them. Lining walkways in them sometimes can be dramatic, but sometimes it's just a bit of an overstatement. So look at the different varieties, look at the Overused, look at the Avalanche, and hopefully they will be helpful in your landscape. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed my videos, like and subscribe, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.